Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply customize your Google search widget. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Google Tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Google. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Google. After you open up your Google, next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon from the top right here. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on customize search widgets. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Now by default, you will definitely see a system default right here. Now from here, you can switch to another options. You can switch to light, you can switch to dark, or device, or costume. So each time you are switching from one to another, it's going to be reflected in your Google search display, just like so. I prefer this. Then the next thing you can do, you can simply add some shortcuts in your Google widget. So for you to do that, simply click on this plus sign right here. Then we have different types of widgets we can simply add into our home screen in Google Search. One of them here is that we can add our translate. We can also add dictionary. We can also add song search. We can also add non-writing. Everything depends on how best you want to customize your Google search widget. I'm going to add music right here, and I'm going to add dictionary. So I'm going to add music right here. Once you add it, it's going to be displayed right here, just like what you see right here. You can decide to add Google Translate image camera, or you can decide to add Google Translate text right here, which allow you to automatically translate. So I'm going to add music right here. Once you are done, then